Platinum service Siemens train now arriving, 713M. A Siemens train service to Pakenham and a double. Here we have a Pakenham service, Siemens train now departing to Pakenham. I think it's express service to Pakenham, 713M now departing to Frankston, Pakenham. Here we have a Frankston train, 597M as a leading carriage, a Frankston service. Comeng train, I can't tell if it's refurbished or not. A Comeng train.
Customers welcome to Caulfield train.
Here we have a not taking passengers train, Comeng train, and not a refurbished train, which is quite rare. So just passing through. And also we have a Flinders Street train. Flinders Street train now arriving. 771. Okay, we have a Comeng train now about to depart. Now departing, and the signal has turned red. Here we have a service back down to, I think it was this a, no, that wasn't a phone, no, Cranbourne actually. Service to Cranbourne. Now departing service to Cranbourne. Last carriage is 680M. Here we have a Flinders Street service, 569M. Now arriving at Caulfield station. Have a service to Flinders Street now arrived at Caulfield on platform 1. Comeng train. Here we have a service down to Flinders Street now departing on platform 1. Service to Flinders Street, Comeng train now departing.
5:15. Mordiallic service is not running this evening. Been advised the next service towards Frankston stopping all stations is now the 5:26 Carrick. Next stopping all stations from platform 2 be the 5:26 Carrick service. Thank you for your patience.
Here we have a service to Flinders Street, 508 service to Flinders Street. Okay, here we have a Comeng train now departing to Flinders Street actually. Comeng train now departing to Flinders Street. Here we have a Siemens train not in service, passing through Caulfield station on platform 1, 762M as a leading carriage. Dandenong service platform 447M. Service to Dandenong. And here Comeng train now arriving for a Flinders Street train, 8:13. Comeng now arrive express service, 8:13 service to Flinders Street. $591M as a leading carriage. Just gonna walk up to the top of the platform. And a refurbished Comeng this train is, a refurbished Comeng.
Limited express service. It's going to run express South Yarra, then stops Richmond and then Flinders Street.
Comeng train now departing. Service to Dandenong now departing. Comeng train now departing to Flinders Street, and we have the 591M service to Flinders Street now departing to Flinders Street. And refurbished Comeng. Having a not taking suburban passengers, a V-line from to Southern Cross, not taking passengers to Southern Cross, a Vline Vlocitys 1254 leading carriage. Vline Vlocitys now arriving, not taking suburban passengers, passing Caulfield on platform 3. 3 carriage velocity.
Platform 3, Vline service cross Toronto. Again, suburban customers, please go on board this one.
Train now. Sorry, actually, I thought it was
on platform 3. This train is not taking
velocity, not taking suburban passengers, but it's only dropping off suburban passengers. Do not board. Velocity, I think, getting ready to depart. Velocity closed doors and is now taking passengers, taking the train back up.
That's okay.
Taking up back to, taking up back to, going back up. And we have another Velocity heading back down to Terralagon. And another Velocity just left, departing to Southern Cross. Terralagon service, Vline Vlocitys Terralagon service. Okay, so we have the Terralagon service now departing, Terralagon service now departing, and a double and a 6-carriager Velocity train, 1,173 leading carriage service to, and this is a service to Terralagon now departing, service to Terralagon now departing, Vline Vlocitys. Train now coming into the platform on platform 3, service to Flinders Street, Siemens train. And our Velocity is departing. And a Siemens train 740M.
Customers from Caulfield, train now arriving platform 2 will be 519 Frankston Limited Express.
Oh, this is a Limited Express to Flinders Street. Oh, wait, no, sorry, I just copied it wrong. So it's service to Flinders Street. Here we have a Frankston Limited Express arriving on platform 2 Limited Express service 391M now arriving to Frankston Station.
19 Frankston Limited Express.
Siemens train now departing. Siemens train, Flinders Street train. Siemens now departing to Flinders Street.
519 Frankston Limited Express now departing platform 2 Stanley.
And we have a Comeng train coming in, and a Comeng train now departing to Frankston, and we have another one to Dandenong actually. Another one to Dandenong. Comeng train now departing to Pakenham actually, sorry. Pakenham train now departing. And we have another one on platform 1. I can't take that. Another one platform 1 to, I think it's Flinders Street. Yes, Flinders Street. Flinders Street. Comeng train service Pakenham now departing to Pakenham on platform 4. And not a refurbished Comeng, which is quite rare now. 407M as our last carriage. We have the Comeng train now departing to Flinders Street. Now departing to Flinders Street, and a refurbished Comeng 390M as the last carriage. Here we have a service to Flinders Street. No, actually not in service. Siemens 790M as a leading carriage and not in service. Here we have a service to Flinders Street. Stopping all stations to Flinders Street. Now arriving, a service to Flinders Street. Now arriving. Here we have a Comeng train. Oh my god, that's full. Comeng train arriving into Caulfield. Comeng train now arriving into Caulfield. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, make a comment. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.